It's the perfect, you know, because there's no like real like evidence of signs. You know, there's no cuts. There's no
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
bruises, heavy bruising.
Like the police in Australia used to be famous for putting a telephone book up against people's heads and then punching them, so they couldn't get, you know, because it hurt, but you know.
Yeah.
I know a few people that happened to in Queensland in particular. Nice.
His hand seems to be moving, like doing okay, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I mean, of course,
I mean,
it's
you get
got
the
layers and layers, but
yeah. Got the odd objection from you, but other than that, it's fine, you know.
that seems like your go-to instrument. That little, or your that seems like your favorite.
Yeah, it's just so precise, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I don't really like to use it on too many big muscles, you know? And it's just, I would normally probably use a bigger one in there, but I just can feel like I can get right into that band right in there so precisely, you know? But I can also use this one for this part. For people that are not used to it, they should probably use a broader one. Yeah, I only just got that one recently. Like, I haven't used this. Only got it like a few weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Previously to that, I was using like that was my more precise one, and then to get more precision than that, I'd use a chopstick.
Oh.
But this is sort of like, it's just
It's like
nothing
more
escapes it, you know.
and you can handle it better than the chopstick, because the chopstick, God, that's another even
Yeah.
higher like intensity.
It's an acquired taste, you know, like eating a meal with a lot of chili in it. You know what I mean? There's different levels of connoisseurity. I make up words as I go.
Maybe with a little broken glass in there.
Yeah. Definitely have to get that book, Coffee Table book, just Faces of Pain, you know? People go, oh, wow. He really does look like he's, you know? Yeah, he was. But really, you're just acting, right? Like, none of this hurts at all. It all just feels really nice. Yeah.
We planned this. And
Yeah.
He coached me very well.
Yeah.
It's all act.
Yep. Yeah, his fingers.
What's that?
His finger's pretty tight too.
It is.
Yeah.
Should I take off my ring, or is it okay?
Yeah, maybe. Yep.
So you gonna let me buy dinner tonight at the place?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that'd be nice. Sweethearts, yeah. Your finger's not as messed up as most people's. This finger tends to be one of the worst in a lot of people.
Can I take it back for just a second?
Okay, let me just do this quickly, and then you can have it. Okay, there you go. Getting your breath going, that's good. You knew I was going to do that. I could feel you pulling your finger away. It's really jammed just in here. Feel that crunch, even just between these two little points.
Yeah.
There's like a crunchiness there.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, I can feel like this, like just
Yeah.
it's seized up. I don't know, whatever reason.
Yeah.
It like I don't know, maybe because I was
Yeah.
tensing up.
Yeah, you gotta let it out more. You're definitely what I call a silent achiever. But you're getting better. Yeah, because sometimes tight jaws can relate to repressed anger as well, so.
Yeah. I'm sure I have some in there.
Yeah. Oh, did you feel that?
Yeah. I felt,
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, it's that confirmation that things are moving. It's like the muscles or energy is dissipating enough that the joints can move. All it needed was that little bit of gentle persuasion.